I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind is runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah, I really need time.
Tomorrow we're gonna sell a little bit, and once we do, when we done, we're gonna walk around a little bit. We might make a YouTube video about doing that, but I don't know.
See y'all tomorrow. Alright y'all, we out here now. So many different vendors out here. And it ain't a lot of people out here yet. Like, it is a lot of people, but it ain't a lot of people at the same time. Go all the way down there. Got a big old field, bouncy castles and all. Go over here. Then there's some people down here, different vendors. See what this one is. Then sister right here. So much. It's some food. Some food. Somebody out here. Chef K. Marsha seafood and more. And hold on, I gotta show y'all something. If I can do it.
There's barely anything to do.
Alright, you see his truck? Bro, his truck looking nice. I ain't cap. But I'm supposed to video. It's a whole bunch of vendors down there. Someone down here, some people down there. Don't mind him. He's just walking. Oh, dang. Look, I've been talking forever, and this only 1 minute, 20 something seconds. This light thing right here. Coming back down. Personal toys. I got a bubble gun from her last night. That junk still works, and that junk shoot a lot of bubbles. And fun fact, she got all those things right there from New York. And we out here. Alright, that's all I saw today.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, we rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all coming like fun. But thank God for the journey, the burning for us to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall from our right hand. What's a toast with the friends that take off the big road? One time, sit down in a class and we pour it. Only see the road and we go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say I can shut down. Saw you post the spectacular photo.
Hey.
close as possible. It's gonna be good.
Okay, it's all the parading video. Now it's
Did I hear MLK get shot out? Too sleepy. We've been out here since 9:30.
last time I checked the time, it was like 12 o'clock.
It wasn't exactly 9:30, so it been like in between, probably like 9:15, because we thought the parade was gonna start at 9:30. So we got here earlier than that, and it didn't start till like 10:30, 11 o'clock. So it's 2 o'clock now.
We got a whole bunch of candy too.
A whole bunch of candy. It's 2 o'clock now. And sleep is is weighing on me right now. Sleep is weighing on me. Mason over here eating nachos.
Got the cold water, cold soda, Italian ice. Come on, see me. Where that go? Next time we're not ready. I'll be right here. We appreciate the support, the love. Y'all support these businesses out here, man. We out here trying to make it.
Take that whole bag to the trash. We're gonna fall off.
Alright, y'all, video.
Hey y'all.
It's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. So you know what that means.
Yeah, you know what that is. Yeah. We gotta stay out here till night time. We're gonna make another video at night. So like,
I think it's the halfway mark. I think when we made the last one, it was like 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Something like that. I don't know.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it.
Big Q, my man. And then it's us. He done shout us out plenty of times. Look at the beautiful lady. The beautiful girl. The beautiful. Corey, look at me. The beautiful baby. Corey, look. Beautiful baby. Beautiful sister. Beautiful daughter. He hiding. Look at they all beautiful.
hey y'all. I told y'all we were gonna make a video at night. 8:30. But we out here, we still selling.
And Mama said when it's night, and Mama said when it was nighttime, we're going home. But
Yeah.
we're not home yet.
8
No,
o'clock.
it's not.
But listen, whenever these people start leaving, whenever they start clearing out, that's when we go.
No.
Right now,
Mama, that's gonna be like at 2 o'clock.
No, 2 o'clock.
Alright, that's it. Updated version.
No!
That's what essence of all me. And 7
I'm okay lemonade is the best type of lemonade you can buy.